While it's true that many online opportunities are scams or exaggerate their potential, it's not entirely accurate to say that making money online is a big lie. Many people successfully earn income online through legitimate means. Here are some reasons why some people might believe making money online is a lie. 1. Scams and misinformation. The internet is filled with scams, fake opportunities, and misinformation. This can lead people to believe that all online opportunities are fake. 2. Unrealistic expectations. Some online opportunities promise overnight success or exaggerated income potential. When these expectations aren't met, people might feel deceived. 3. Lack of transparency. Some online businesses or opportunities might not provide clear information about their compensation plans, terms, or requirements. 4. Difficulty in getting started. Making money online often requires skills, effort, and patience. Those who struggle to get started might feel frustrated and believe that making money online is impossible. However, there are many legitimate ways to earn money online, such as 1. Freelancing. Offer services like writing, graphic design, or web development on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Online tutoring. Teach languages, subjects, or skills on platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, or Udemy. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. 4. Selling products. Utilize e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify to sell physical or digital products. 5. Creating and selling online courses. Share your knowledge and skills by creating courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. To succeed in making money online, it's essential to 1. Research thoroughly. Verify the legitimacy of opportunities and understand their terms and requirements. 2. Set realistic expectations. Understand that making money online takes time, effort, and patience. 3. Develop valuable skills. Acquire skills that are in demand and can be monetized online. 4. Stay persistent and patient. Building a successful online business or career takes time, and it's essential to stay committed and focused. In conclusion, while there are certainly scams and misinformation online, it's not accurate to say that making money online is a big lie. With the right mindset, skills, and approach, it's possible to earn a legitimate income online.